signal now and stop the car. Now stop here, stop the car here, and I will tell you why. That's it. Good. Now, if I would not have make you stop your car, what would you have done? Because there was a cars are coming, would you have carry on driving and stop when the cars have gone past? Is that what you were thinking?
Yes.
Good, it's okay.
Yeah.
That's what the 99% people have think like that. And rightly so, that is the safe thing to do. But I'm going to ask you this question now. Now imagine that you have got houses over here in a nice built up area, and you're finishing your work or whatever, and you have got a nice driveway, and you want to go into your driveway, or you have to cross those traffic. As you coming in, these cars that keep coming. So would you rather carry on driving, or would you rather stop, wait for the safe gap, and then turn into your driveway? What would the option? First one to carry on driving, or stop?
No.
And then
probably the second one, because that's my house, isn't it?
okay. Now in this situation, when I asked you to stop, what did you think? Why are you asking me to stop? There's a cars behind me.
Yeah.
Okay. So at that point, did we have taken any risk? Did we put anybody else in danger by stopping at that time? What do you think?
Well, as long as we put the signal early and
That's it.
observe.
So there are two type of signals you were giving.
Yeah.
One signal you were giving using the indicator. What is the second signal you were giving?
My car is slightly to the right.
So you okay? So that's your body behavior. What
Yeah.
other type of signal you were giving? Which most people they don't realize that is static signal you always use.
Oh, I'm going slower.
So when you going slower, how do they know?
A brake.
So when you press a brake, what happened?
The back light will flash.
That is the signal as
Yeah.
well. So you are telling people, look, I'm stopping. So you're kind of giving two signal. A, you indicating. B, when you're pressing a brake, the three lights comes on, isn't it? So they know what your intentions are. They can see there's a cars coming. They know that you have to stop. If you stop in the traffic behind by that time, perfectly fine. Yes, if you would have stopped too much into oncoming traffic, like over the white line, that is dangerous. But we didn't. We stopped just on the edge of the white line. Is that clear in your mind now? So don't be afraid to stop if there's a car that keep coming. And when it's safe, then you move over. Is that clear now?
Yeah.